Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
I'm not making much noise.
Yeah, you can have like we add the dry one first. Okay, the dry one. Okay, and then you go first. And then you guys you can have
Chop small as small possible. If you're concerned about him, please chop very small. Okay. Yeah. We do like this. Yeah. Small, very small. Dice it. Okay.
You are chef too?
No.
Oh no chef, okay.
But everyone today, chef. Everyone is a chef today. You see, you have to smash until it's like a powder. Oh wow, that's great. And then separate first. Separate. Yeah, put it in here.
We need the powder
Smaller?
first. We have the
Smaller.
So the same as this.
Smaller, please.
Very fine.
Alice, you will take the picture. Excuse me. Smaller, please. Alice, when you eat, you will taste the texture.
Yeah, a little bit smaller. Like,
Smaller again. Smaller on this as well.
yeah. Very nice food that you can make.
Thai cooking never romantic. Never. Just always anger.
Yeah, very fine, very small. Keep sweating. Okay. After 5 minutes, go massage. Yeah. Thai massage. Faster, more power. Yeah.
Smaller.
Oh yeah, that's great. That's great. But this one,
This one's back. Yeah.
yes, back. This one,
I can't do. I got to do this again.
but it's quite tough. Yeah. Oh, this one perfect. Yeah. What are you feeling now?
Yeah. Muscle, big muscle.
Mid muscle.
Wow, that's nice. That is small. Until like a powder, you're gonna add the fresh one.
Okay, don't forget one hand cover. One hand cover.
Okay, and then we have. And then you can cut.
Could you tell me her like one hand to cover?
One hand cover, and the other one.
Yeah.
It doesn't get when you
Oh, but she has a protector glasses.
yes.
More power.
Things about your neighbor. Think about your boss,
Ex-boyfriend.
ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
You can think about your ex-boyfriend as well. Okay, go. Yes. And look at him. Look at him.
You think about him.
Yeah, sound good. This sounds so good.
You put all the fresh ones. Yeah. Until no skin, okay? Keep going.
Keep smashing. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
So strong. What are you thinking now? C'est bon, okay. Okay. Your turn, your turn.
Thinking about him.
Ah. It's a perfect rhythm. Perfect rhythm.